Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of Monday, May 30th through Sunday, June 5th in my horizontal planner. This is the planner I use, is my safe space for hand lettering, practicing my hand lettering skills by doing inspirational quotes. So the theme I'm going to go with comes to us from the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks Challenge. National, I know it's really hard to see. I used a super fine pen. National Donut Day is actually Friday, June 3rd. I love donuts. I'd never eat donuts because the only way I can eat donuts is if I make them homemade for myself, because I don't eat flour or sugar. I'm low carb, and I don't like donuts enough to go to all that trouble. So I have a lot of donut stickers. These were, I don't know, they were like Target Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree, or I might have got them in a Christmas gift or a Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day. That's what I think it was. I think these were from a Galentine's Day swap I did a few years ago. But they're all just different little donuts. So I thought I would use some of these. And then I have this relatively new washi tape from Simply Gilded, and I thought this looked, it's in some of the same colors, and it looks kind of like a tablecloth. So I thought I could pair this washi tape with these. And then I have, of course, pulled the original food sticker book from Happy Planner, because it's got, I think the first page in the book here, which my book is falling apart, so my pages are all out of order, but is donuts. And as you can see, not a single sticker is used because, again, I love donuts, but I never eat donuts. So what a great way to use the stickers. I also have the Sassy Plans book, because I know there are a couple of, like this one right here, this one that says Bite Me with the donut. In here, there are a couple donut related snarky stickers, so we can use those because it looks almost like the exact same donut. And finally then, I pulled my multiple copy of colorful boxes. I will link, this is just multiple copies. It's like 3 or 4 copies of the same sticker book that I put together. I will link how to do that in the cards up above. So let's get started. I think I want to cover up, so this paper sticker that says Bite Me, I think I want to cover up notes with that. So down here, for those of you that are new to my channel, I'll explain really quickly. I just do hand lettered quotes to practice my hand lettering skills, because it can be pretty intimidating if you follow my Sunday videos on and are working on your hand lettering skills. It can be pretty intimidating, the thought of writing in your planner for the first time with your pens, doing your hand lettering, because I mean, like, you can't erase those. I guess you could put a sticker over them. But so this is a way, this is a safe space for me. If I mess it up, I mess it up. Oh well, it's not in my actual main planner. So here's the other one. The only circle of trust you should have is a donut. So I think I'll put this one here, and maybe if I go, I'll put this one up here so they're kind of balanced and opposite of each other. And that honestly is pretty much all I wanted out of this sticker book. So this one's clear, that one's paper. This way the paper one is covering up the word notes. So, and then this one is super tall, and that's okay. What I could do, what I think I'll do is, it's pretty, there's clear space in between the donut and the quote. So what I'm going to actually do is a little sticker surgery. I'm going to cut off the donut, and that way I can put it beside the quote and it won't go down into my other day. So let's fit this here, and I am still going to put it over closer to the punches as far as I can. And then I think I'll put the donut up high so that I still have the majority of the lines for the quote. So yeah, so just a little rearrangement there, and that way, yeah, I still have plenty of space. So I don't want to put a hoodoo author box there because I'm already taking up so much space. So we'll do one here Well, let's see. Let's just keep going down here. I want some of this washi tape here under this quote, "Bite me." Go ahead and put that there. All right, super cute. Okay, so 2 corners done. So I know I'm going to come here, here, here. What I don't know over here is, am I going to keep going with this one and then go like that? So let's switch over to this side. So I think I want to use, the washi tape is pinks and purples. So I think I'm going to use the pink and purple boxes. And these are just so, again, so I can write down who said the quote, who to attribute the quote to, who the author was. I've used a lot of these. Let's go with the smaller size. I can still fit 2 lines of text on this smaller size, and I hardly ever use them, it looks like. So there's, since the donuts are mostly pink, maybe I'll use all purple ones. All right, let's get this off to the side. So let's go ahead and put this up high with some washi and a couple donuts. So I think I'll put, let's see. I'm just going to do an uneven rip like I like to do. And I'm just going to put it right up against the box. And then let's put a couple donuts on there. So I love this heart-shaped one. Put its little point down here toward Wednesday, and then let's do another one of these, like a brown. I am not going to come close to using up all these donuts. Oh my gosh. There. Okay. Next, let's put another box here, but we'll put this one down low. Okay, washi tape. This is going to be kind of like the same formula, I'm afraid. Just repeated. But that's what makes it easy. Really the labor-intensive part of this is finding the quotes and actually doing the hand lettering, taking the time. So, nice round one. And then let's do a brown one. Let's do this one here. Just a little mound of donuts. Looks yummy. Kind of want one more on there. Do I? Nah. Okay. So no box this time. Let's do... I feel like I have that one on here several times. I've already used a heart. What else we got here? How about this one with the stripes? And then I want a long john on there. So that's a regional thing. I'm from the Midwest, and we called these cream sticks or long johns, but they were maple or chocolate or peanut butter, but they were filled with pastry cream. They weren't dry inside. So, oh my gosh, I'm making my mouth water just thinking about it. Let's put this one on there too. Again, my little pile of donuts. There we go. Okay, so that side is done. I should have put some washi tape on there. I guess I didn't need to. Okay, so now I need to decide. Am I coming, I guess here I have opposites. So I need to go ahead and come over here, here, here. So over here, let's do, I'm gonna go ahead, do I want to go ahead and do another box? I think I do, because I want to have 4. So if I go box, no box, box. Yes, that's what I'll do. So let's put this one up high. And a piece of washi. And I lost my end, of course. Neighbors trying to help me with my video. Actually, I don't know if I want washi, because this washi is actually mostly up in this box. So let's not. How about this heart-shaped brown donut right up on the box. That's cute. And then I don't want green. How about a white one? And a pink one. And I want another one of these. Oh my gosh, come off of there. Red. Let's rearrange these guys a little bit. Those two are like the same donut. How about two hearts together? It's the weekend. Have donuts with family, friends. We'll save this one. Okay, so then I said I was going to put the other box up there, so let's do washi tape up there. So I don't need washi tape here. So let's do one of these. Just a big pile of donuts. Another big pile of donuts. We'll use this red one we took back off the page. This one. And this one. This one? There's yellow there. Let's go ahead and put just a little bit more yellow on the page. Or do I need a chocolate one there? I should put a chocolate one there. I'm using up some donut stickers. There we go. Okay. And then for this one, I want the box, I think, at the bottom. And then washi tape and then donuts. And actually, now I'm debating. That's kind of, I don't like how like close together with nothing in between those are. So maybe I'll do washi tape first. And then box. It looks like a cheap, it looks like a plastic tablecloth like you'd see on a table at a bake sale, you know? Okay, and then more donuts. Pink. I didn't want those two pink ones right on top of each other. How about this one? Chocolate. Fun fact, I don't like chocolate. So I wouldn't eat that donut anyway. It's not tempting. I know, I'm weird. Just like you do with floral stickers, you can take this half of a donut and put it somewhere else. So like up here next to this donut with the quote, or maybe down here in this space, except that's the same exact donut. How about down there to kind of balance with that a little bit? There we go. So there is my National Donut Day spread in my horizontal planner. I can have fun picking out some purple and pink and brown, chocolate brown pens to go with that. So there we go. I hope you're celebrating Donut Day. I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.